Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Tres Leches French toast, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by cutting a few thick slices of brioche bread. When you finish slicing your bread, lightly toast it and then set it to the side. Next, we're going to make some whipped cream. In a bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Proceed to beat the cream until stiff peaks form. When you have finished making your whipped cream, cover the bowl or place your whipped cream inside a container and then put it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, in a bowl or a large measuring cup, mix together 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, half a cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. When you're finished, set your milk mixture to the side. Next, in a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Then add 1 cup of your milk mixture, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg. When you finish adding all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add butter. Once the butter has melted, dip your bread in the egg mixture. Let your bread soak in the egg mixture for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. When you have finished soaking your French toast, place it in the pan and cook it on each side until golden brown. When you have finished cooking your French toast, take it out of the pan and set it to the side. Repeat this process with the rest of your sliced bread. When you finish cooking your French toast, you can go ahead and plate it up. I added a layer of strawberries under each piece of French toast. Then I topped the French toast with Dulce De Leche. And after that, I added the homemade whipped cream and a sliced strawberry on top. And this is the finished result. This looks absolutely delectable. All that's left to do now is pour the remaining Tres Leches mixture on top. How much you add is really up to you. You can add a little or a lot. This French toast was so good! I have to say it's one of my favorite things I've made this month. After pouring the milk, I added a bit of cinnamon on top, which just made it even better. The milk didn't make the French toast soggy, and the strawberries tasted so good with everything. I know I say this a lot, but I really do recommend giving this one a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!